There are things that arise spontaneously every day all over the world. These are questions on the future of nature, on how long food resources will last, on how and how much to invest in new agricultural technologies. We at Valagro have tried to find answers to each of these questions, imagining that the real power is not what dominates nature, but that which supports nature, using it to help man and plants grow. In Valagro, science is at the service of nature. Each one of our products is based on a fundamental concept. Only give the environment the most effective products. How? By using the most advanced technologies available to combine substances that come from nature and in that way multiply the effects. In each of our products there is a key ingredient, the desire to provide food in a sustainable manner. An easy concept, but one that is difficult to achieve for those who, like us at Valagro, pursue ethical science based on respect for the habitat and for the people who live in it. Because for us at Valagro, the greatest technology is the one that leaves no trace. Our technology comes from a vision that combines innovation, sustainability and ethics. Technology to which we have given the name Gaia Power. We get to the heart of nature by going directly to the raw materials and selecting them responsibly in uncontaminated environments. We get to the heart of life, developing the most effective extraction method for each raw material so we can preserve the active components. We know the chemistry of life by performing in our laboratories the process of chemical, physical and biological characterization of the extracts so as to determine quickly and accurately the interactions with the physiology of the plant. We get to the heart of knowledge, mastering all aspects of the expected use of the active ingredients to combine them and create products that are truly effective for any specific need. We are international leaders in the production of biostimulants, made with natural active substances that improve crop quality and quantity. We are among the largest producers of micronutrients, necessary to compensate for the microdeficiencies of plants, and fertigators, mineral formulas enriched with chelated micronutrients. We offer our customers high-quality solutions with passion through 4 main divisions. Farm, with special fertilizers for agriculture. Garden, for gardening. Turf and ornamental, for the professional care of lawns and ornamental plants. Industrials, high-quality raw materials for companies in the fertilizer sector. With a distribution network covering over 80 countries worldwide, we are a large international chemical company focused on innovation, driven by a strong passion for the customer, along with a great vision. We believe it is possible to satisfy the needs of mankind and produce more while using fewer resources, thanks to a new conscience, able of putting science to work for mankind through innovation and respect for nature. This is Valagro today.